Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cozy retreat for our furry friends, the best pet supplies cat bed, specifically the domed tent house designed for both cats and small dogs. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes this cat bed truly special. The best pet supplies cat bed is not just a bed, it's a plush tent-like haven where your pets can feel safe and secure. Constructed from quality materials like faux suede, linen, or corduroy, this cozy abode is lined with soft polyfoam, ensuring that your pet enjoys maximum comfort while they curl up for a nap or simply relax. One of the standout features of this cat bed is its timeless design. The earth-tone colors and stylish appearance allow it to blend seamlessly into any home decor. Whether you have modern furnishings or a more traditional setup, this cat cave adds a touch of elegance while providing a private sanctuary for your pet. The dimensions of this domed tent house are 16 inches by 16 inches, with a height of 16 inches. This size is ideal for small dogs, puppies, and all breeds of cats, making it a versatile option for pet owners. The enclosed design gives your pet a sense of privacy and security, which is particularly beneficial for shy or anxious animals. Practicality is another strong suit of this cat bed. It's machine washable on a gentle cycle, which means maintaining its cleanliness is a breeze. No more worrying about pet hair or odors. Plus, it retains its shape even after washing, making it perfect for travel. You can easily pack it up as a soft crate for trips, ensuring your pet always has a familiar and comfortable space to retreat to, no matter where you go. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you have a cat that loves to hide or curl up in cozy spaces, this bed will be a perfect addition to your home. It's also great for small dogs or puppies that appreciate a snug environment. If your pet enjoys a little privacy while they rest, this tent-style bed will cater to their needs beautifully. In summary, the best pet supplies cat bed offers comfort, style, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for pet owners looking to provide their furry companions with a cozy retreat. From its plush materials to its easy maintenance and stylish design, it checks all the boxes for both pets and their owners. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.